Okay, welcome back, folks. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Forming equations, angles in a triangle. Right, in this particular question, we have to work at the value of x. So that's the task. Okay, now, what do we know? So first of all, as we mentioned before, we start with an
idea.
And the idea is, now the mentioned angles inside a triangle. What is the idea? That the angle sum of a triangle is equal to what?
180 degrees.
Okay, well, thank you for that, Ali. Okay, right, so let's start the question.
So, do you mean you're breaking the formula? You have to put the degrees in?
No, not really. So, now these are all in terms of degrees, x plus 10 degrees, x plus 20 degrees. So we'll start off with x, and then we add the next one. So I'm going to keep them in a column format. Then I'm going to add the third one. So that was my idea. That I got to add up all these inside internal angles, and we know that the total should be equal to 180 degrees. We leave out the degree symbol for the moment. Keep it simple. Now let's simplify this. So let's have a Halima. What's 20 add 10?
30.
And what's x add x add x?
Yeah. Oh.
So we've had the idea and we have formed the equation now. What do we do next?
We
solve
the
equation for x and then work out what the inside angles are. Okay, so let's solve it now. So we start at x. X has been timed by 3 and then added by 30. So which is the first action? Time by 3. And the plus 30 is the
second.
And we always move the second action first. Opposite add 30 is 30. Take away 30. That will give us an answer of here over
150.
So 3x. Okay.
Right.
So the opposite now, time by 3 is? Opposite time by 3 is?
And divided by 3.
Okay, so x is equal to 150 divided by 3, which is equal to? So x is equal to?
50 degrees.
50 degrees. Okay, right. Now, we can go now and work out all the missing angles. So x is equal to 50 degrees. And 50 at 10 is equal to 60. And 50 at 20 is equal to
70.
And if you add them all up, you should get 180.
Yeah.
Does it give you 180? Yes, it does. And that's the end of how we work out forming equations with angles and triangle. Now, what happens if you do angles around a point? Like question number 2. Okay, quick preview of that question. Okay, well, that's not very good. Okay, let's do that anyway.